Maraming bagong,
establishments.
yeah, ang gagawin.
Super commercialized sa Boracay.
It's starting to be that way, yeah.
Medyo,
Sayang.
yeah, sayang actually. Minsan magulo tingnan. O para sa akin.
Grabe, you should go there on Holy Week. It's insane. It takes an hour to get a sandwich, a tuna sandwich. It really does.
Okay, yeah, when I went it was like almost empty. There was like no one there.
The raining season or no?
Pumunta ko mga Mayo.
Oh yeah? Okay. It's nice. I went there during raining season before. And they had the bamboo tarps set up in front of the mga hotels to prevent things flying and buhangin from getting into the restaurant or the hotel.
Ah, okay.
But it was nice because it felt like our own beach. It was like 2 years ago. Over 2 years. Yeah, over 2 years.
Interesting. I have to go back there.
Looks like Michael Jackson now with his jacket like this. Ow. Ow. Mahilig ka sa teddy bears?
No, I don't have any anymore. I don't know what happened to them. Maybe they got stored.
Stored?
My mom stored them. Or she pinamigay.
What is that?
She gave them away.
Oh my god. Really?
Yeah.
Without telling me?
Well, no, I think she told me, but I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, you had other things on your mind.
But I kind of miss them now. Kind of my sister has more teddy bears than me.
She's older than you?
Yeah.
Your brother has teddy bears?
No. She has his cat. But they're all from her boyfriend. That's why.
Oh, the teddy bears?
My sister's
Oh,
teddy
I was
bears.
like, what? I was like, your brother has teddy bears too. I was like, no, but they're all from boyfriend.
No, her husband now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My brother just has ang kapatid ko, or ate ko, maraming teddy bears. So my brother just has his cat. He's such a human.
Seems like...
It's just like this.
Like this?
And his like paws are up here.
And his tongue is hanging out.